When your extraction machine arrives, it's going to come in this box, or a box that looks just like this. The box will have the model and serial number on the side of it on a label, and you're going to need that information later when you file your warranty card. When you open the box, one of the first things you're going to find is the owner's manual, which has the parts listing and basic information on operation of the machine. You're also going to find the warranty card. This warranty card needs to be filled out, and that's where you're going to need the model and serial number to get your coverage. And by the way, the warranty on Ruby is 6 years on the outer body. There's a 3-year limited parts warranty on all of the working, moving parts of it, and a 1-year warranty on the motors. That's on the vacuum motor and also on the pump motor. Also included in your package is the product guide, which goes over each of the Crypton products that are used for textile care and maintenance. The third piece of information is the quick reference stain chart. And this is going to help you in determining the proper chemical to use to remove certain stains from your textile surfaces. We also want to get you started on your cleaning regimen by providing you with a sample kit of the cleaning products, Crypton Purple and Crypton Gold. And we want you to try these samples inside, and then after that you can use the product guide to place your order. The first thing you're going to find on top as far as equipment is the solution and vacuum hose. They are banded together with black ties about every 18 inches to keep the two together. And you'll see a plastic bag covering the vacuum head and also a padded wrap that goes around the clear vacuum head. And that's to protect it during shipping. Inside the box, Ruby is packaged and all put together for you. All you have to do is lift the machine out of the box. The first thing I want to talk about is the cord. It is a yellow safety cord. It's 25 feet in length and obviously has grounded protection at the end of it. Ruby comes with a 2.5 gallon solution tank, which sits on the bottom of the machine, and a 3-gallon recovery, which is the top portion of the machine. When you're going to add water into the machine, the clean water goes in this area right here. There is a sealed vacuum pump and also a solution pump inside the machine that is never exposed to any moisture. There's a solid metal plate that covers that housing area, but with the removal of 6 screws, we have easy access to get into that motor. The recovery portion of the tank sits on top, and the way that we attach it to the machine is simply to put it in place like this and latch down the latches on either side, and the machine is ready to go. There are 2 orifices on top of the machine. These are to hold the 2 Crypton stain removers, one for purple and one for gold. The way that we attach the hose to the machine is very simple. The vacuum end of the hose is attached up here on this orifice, and suction is created when the vacuum motor comes on and pulls moisture through this hose and into the vacuum compartment, which is protected with a moisture barrier. This brass fitting here is for attaching the solution hose, and it simply attaches down here on the lower end of the machine. All you have to do is push in on this fitting, put it over the male end of the brass fitting, and it will lock into place. The power switch is located on the back of the machine, and it's a 2-position switch as far as operation. If you want vacuum only, for instance, if you have a spill or something you're trying to get up very quickly, by flipping the toggle switch to the up position, we get vacuum only. There's no solution flowing to the hose. If I want to actually apply solution and vacuum at the same time, I'm going to move the switch to the down position, and that will give us power to the pump, which will put water right at the end of the hose, and also we will have the vacuum on at that time. To turn the machine off, just simply return that toggle switch to the middle position. You'll also notice that there's a clear protective vinyl piece of material over the switch that offers some extra protection for both the machine and for the user. The extraction machine is also very portable. You can leave the handle in the down position when you're in the room and performing various operations. But when you're ready to transport the machine, all you have to do, raise the handle to its highest position, take off the vacuum hose and the solution hose, wrap it around the handle, and then the machine can be tilted back and wheeled down the hallway. So it's very compact, very portable, and only weighs 22 pounds. So even the smallest of housekeepers are able to transport the machine very easily. The solution and vacuum hose are attached together, one for convenience so they don't get separated and we don't get them lost. But also, it's very important, the position of the spray head. Now, you'll notice that all the fittings here are stainless steel and brass to give us long wear and life out of the items. But the intention is to direct the spray directly down just in front of the vacuum head area. The spray comes out at a very low pressure, and the reason that we do that, most machines are geared to put out 100 pounds of pressure per square inch, and that's too much pressure on a delicate piece of upholstery. So we have a reduced water pressure pump. We want the chemistry of the stain removers to do the work, and we lightly mist the solution onto the surface. Now what we've put in the tank when we operate it is water and Crypton extraction concentrate at the dilution rate of 4 ounces per gallon. And when we have it in at that dilution, its intention is to remove alkalinity that's been left behind from other spot removers that people have attempted to use on upholstery. The reason that we went with a clear view plastic head on the extraction side is very simple. We want to see what we're removing from the fabric. If I have a stainless steel head here, I have no idea how much of the stain has been removed. But if I go to a stain that has some color to it, and I am able to continually go back over spraying and extracting, I can run this extraction over that spot until the solution runs clear. And that's really a very important step in the process to removing the entire stain. So any of these parts on the hose accessory, both on the supply side for the water and on the vacuum side, have the 3-year warranty. The machine itself, as we mentioned earlier, has a 6-year warranty. And then there's a 1-year warranty on both the vacuum motor and the pump motor inside the machine. And we hope that you enjoy the machine. We know that you're going to have a lot of years of use out of it. If you need help in any way, all you have to do is call 1-800-CRYPTON, and we'll be able to answer your questions about hardware, part replacements, or just general usage.